Hello, we're doing another video about expanding brackets. So this is the process that you do all the time in GCSE maths, and it's so fundamental to so many questions you end up doing on the exam to be able to do this as part of a process. So really worth practicing. Now these are examples from Tassomai questions, so you might see this one even after this video. This one is an all squared expansion. So that's where you don't get two pairs of brackets, or you don't seem to, you just get one, but this all squared really means it's x minus 5 times x minus 5. So you can visualize that or even write it out and do the same process as the more normal ones with FOIL or your whatever method you like. So I'm just going to kind of solve this my way of thinking about it. So I'm going to have the first x squared. So we're squaring that, you're going to get x squared, fine. And at the end, you're going to get minus 5 squared. So minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25. So you always get, a positive number in an all squared expansion, whether it's negative or positive in the bracket, because when you multiply something by itself, you end up with it's positive. What happens in the middle? Well, you're going to get minus 5x and minus 5x. You can see that if you expand it and write it out in full, or using the kind of logic that I've mentioned in these other videos, you're basically getting the sum of the two numbers. Well, this number is repeated, so minus 5 and minus 5 is minus 10. And that's going to be your middle term here. So in any all squared expansion, that middle term is going to be double this number times this number. So in this case, double minus 5 minus 10x plus 25. So that's the all squared expansion. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.